Welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. Did you know that avocados are chock full of nutrients to promote your healthy lifestyle? Avocados are full of great vitamins and minerals and even have more potassium than bananas. They are loaded with heart-healthy fatty acids and fiber and can help lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. And here's our cooking tip for today. We love avocados, but what we don't love is when it starts turning that, color that we can't quite describe, that's not so appetizing, pretty quickly after we cut the avocado. So here's a quick trick that you can try to keep your avocado looking beautiful and fresh, just the way that you cut it. So all you do is just take a piece of plastic wrap, and then you're just going to gently wrap your avocado with it. Make sure you get it nice and secure all the way around. Once you've covered the avocado with a piece of plastic wrap, one of the main things and the most important things that you need to do is to just press very gently and make sure that the plastic seals to the surface, the exposed surface of the avocado, because that's going to keep the air out and keep it from oxidizing and turning that, not so pretty color. And it will keep that beautiful, vibrant color as when you cut it. So give this tip a try. So here's the avocado that I wrapped yesterday. It is now the day after, and I just took it out of the fridge. And as you can see, it has retained all its beautiful, vibrant color. And all I have to do now is just unwrap and enjoy.